What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Yesterday after market close, Greenlane Renewables announced their Q4 earnings of 2020, and they've absolutely smashed it. If you've been following this channel, then you already know that I'm extremely bullish on this company, and that I see this as a 5 to 10x return on my investment. But whether you're new or an existing subscriber, stick around till the end of the video because I'll quickly provide you with an overview of what the company does, and then I'll go through the main highlights from their Q4 earnings and where I see the share price going from here. Greenlane Renewables is a green energy play. They are the leading provider of biogas upgrading systems. These systems help waste producers, gas utilities, and project developers do more with biogas, helping them turn a low-value product into a high-value, low-carbon renewable resource. Now, this company is in the penny stock territory and only has a market cap of around 300 million. To give you an idea of the massive opportunity that this company offers, let's take a look at GEVO. Now, GEVO has a market cap of 1.4 billion, so roughly 5 times bigger than Greenlane Renewables. However, Greenlane Renewables is growing revenue at a much higher rate than GEVO, and its business is a lot more scalable in my opinion. So basically what I'm trying to say is that Greenlane Renewables should be a billion-dollar company in the short to mid-term, which represents a massive opportunity. Now let's take a look into their financial results from Q4 2020. Record revenue of 8.8 million, an increase of 167% over the 3.3 million reported in the fourth quarter of 2019. This is a massive increase in revenue. Record sales order backlog of 45.7 million at year-end, an increase of over 180% from the 16.2 million reported as at December 31st, 2019. Sales order backlog refers to the balance of unrecognized revenue from contracted upgrader projects, where such revenue is recognized over time, typically over 9 to 18 months from contract start as completion of the project progresses. So in essence, sales order backlog provides us a glimpse of the future revenues of the company. So a growing sales order backlog is a good sign, and it means that future revenues are also going to grow at a higher rate. Next, sales pipeline valued at over 720 million as at December 31st, 2020, versus 680 million as at December 31st, 2019, reflects both the increase of more than 89 million in new opportunities and the movement of 49.1 million in signed contracts into the sales order backlog. Greenlane has visibility to more than 180 new projects globally. A growing sales pipeline means that there are more leads that they can potentially convert into paying customers. The increase of 89 million in new opportunities also means that the overall interest is growing for the services that Greenlane Renewables offers. Next, multiple contract wins totaling 18 million. The company announced in the quarter a new 7.7 million pressure swing adsorption system supply contract for a multi-site dairy farm renewable natural gas project in Florida as part of the Chevron USA and Brightmark LLC joint venture, and a 10 million membrane separation system supply contract for a new RNG project in the United States owned by an international energy company. So again, a very positive sign. They're continuously signing new contracts. It shows the overall interest that the market has and the demand for Greenlane's services. This is a note from the CEO that really sums up the landscape and highlights the growing demand for the services that they offer. Our record revenue in 2020 and continued positive outlook for the business in 2021 is backed by a marked increase in sales activity and the emergence and increased scale of market participants in the RNG sector. We continue to see large energy companies entering the sector seeking to secure supplies of RNG, and as a result investing in new projects and buying biogas upgrading equipment. Our sales order backlog, which ultimately ends up in revenue, has grown to a record level that is up over 180% year over year, in part because of this trend. Furthermore, we've seen consistent growth in revenue every quarter throughout 2020 and successfully achieved positive adjusted EBITDA in the fourth quarter. The RNG market and Greenlane's unique position in it, with our product offerings made up of multiple core upgrading technologies, remains robust. So this is great news, and now it makes sense why insiders have been buying shares of this company like crazy over the past few months. Now, where do I see the share price going from here? Provided that the market stays bullish, we should see $5 in the next 6 months. Because Greenlane Renewables is on the Toronto Stock Exchange, it doesn't get as much volume as American exchanges, which is why it moves slower than other growth stocks. So let me know what you guys think about this company and the quarter 4 results, and whether you were able to start a position here or not. Leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.